Okay, so we have removed the exhaust from the Suzuki Boulevard. The way you get in is you first of all you need to remove the airbox, which is just a clip. So you basically hold it down, so pull it down a little bit and then pull it towards yourself. So once you do that, you remove the pipe and then you remove this one, so that's out of your way. The other thing you need to remove is this plastic cover here as well. So which one? So basically that's also a clip out and then clip out, and then just carefully slide it all the way up and then take it out. Now in order to remove the actual exhaust, I actually used one of these, right? So one of these half-inch, whatever it's called, half-inch Allen key. So I removed it using this, but I just improvised a little bit. So basically you could actually get one of these tools if you want, but if you want to use just make sure you have something long that can go in here, and then you can put a bit of a torque using that one. So yeah, that's how I took it off. So 2 screws from here, 2 from here, and then it was holding these 2 here, and that's about it. And also you need to remove all these oxygen sensors, and even the front as well. The front one actually took it with the exhaust, but I also left the plug in here. So now we're going to add a new one in. So let's see how it sounds. So once we add these ones, just keep it loose, and then we go down here, and this is the bracket that we get, the triangle one. So the triangle 2 corners goes here, one up here. So this one actually goes up, and then goes this way. And the other exhaust, we need to make sure this is it has 2 here and then 1 on the side. So this one is actually put it in a reverse order. So we have to go this way, and then we will put it on the chassis. So this one goes this way and all the way down. So one goes from here to the first one, the bottom one goes to the second one.